Or what are the parameters to qualify to use the Vine program?
You got to be brand registered, and you have to, it's annoying the way Amazon words it, you have to be owner permissions. So a lot of times people, I'll work with people that they have exclusives for certain brands. They're not the real owner. So like, it's annoying when they have to ask the person, the company, hi, can you give us owner permission so that we could enroll it in Vine? But if you're the owner of the brand, you just need brand registry. Like, it's crazy. There's so many other benefits to it, but like, that's a huge one. You need to be brand registered. You need to enroll your product in Vine. You can get 30 reviews right away within a few weeks. If you're not, you're going to be spending thousands of dollars advertising a listing that has no reviews. It's a killer. It's a waste of money to advertise something. You can't enroll it in Vine and you can't get the review, and then you get unlucky, you get one bad review, it's over. You get a 1-star review, first review, it's horrible.